A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just show you how to make a slip knot and then to make crochet a chain. The chain is the foundation of almost every crochet work that is done, because you make your chain and you will work your pattern stitches into the chain, so it forms the foundation of most crochet work. So I've made a chain here, and this is what it looks like from this side, from the front side, and it looks like that from the back side. And you can see the chain has 1, 2, 3 parts to it. So you have a top loop, a middle loop, and a bottom loop. So I'm just going to show you how to make the slip knot, and this is for those that are just starting out with crochet. So to make a slip knot, we're just going to hold the yarn like so. So you have your little thread there, and you have your longer thread there, and we're just going to cross it over and then just bring a loop in through that circle and just pull it up like that, and you've got your slip knot. And you just pull it tight onto your hook with just by pulling this thread, and you now have a loop on your hook that's made with the slip knot. To make a chain, we're just going to put the loop, just put your hook underneath the yarn there, and then just pull it through the loop with your hook. So just around and then pull through, and you've made your 2 chain there. Just around and then pull it through, and around and then pull it through. And to start off with, I suggest you use a 5mm or H crochet hook, because it's not too bulky, and it's not too big and it's not too small. It's just sort of medium, and it gives you a good grip. And there are various ways of actually crocheting. You can just use like this way, where you're using your knife at a dinner table. So you can just crochet that way, or you can crochet with just like holding a pencil. You can crochet that way, and just use a bit of worsted yarn or 8-ply yarn to start off with, and you can just practice making your chain. Don't worry if it's one chain is bigger than the other chain. As you practice, it'll get better and your tension will improve. I do hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Until next time, happy crochet.